Professor Coomer here. We are in the last essay, essay 4, the argumentative essay. At this point, the writing process should be second nature. This should be something you automatically know how to do. We are going to talk a little bit about each step in these videos, but these videos should be shorter because at this point you should not need a huge explanation. If you do need a further explanation, go look at the other videos. Go look at the videos for outlining, for brainstorming, for pre-writing, all these other things. But let's talk right now about pre-writing, clustering, brainstorming, free-writing. In all of these things, let's just say pre-writing. We're just going to talk about it. When you brainstorm, when you cluster, when you free-write, remember you're bringing up points that you believe should be brought up in your essay. What are things that you think should be brought up? And don't be afraid to put things that you think, maybe they should be brought up, maybe they shouldn't be brought up. Just write it down anyway, okay? When I look at these things to grade, I want to see that you've really put more thought in this essay than any other essay you've written for me all semester long. So you'll have reasons why you're right. So you're already going to have a pretty decent idea of what your thesis statement is going to be at this point. You don't have to have it completely written out, but you're going to know what your argument is. And then you're going to have reasons why your argument is correct. And then you're going to need evidence. Evidence why these reasons are valid reasons. So maybe you'll brainstorm on this one reason. What's some evidence that one reason is valid? Why is that one reason a valid reason to believe your argument? And maybe you'll have a whole brainstorm about that, a whole cluster about that, a whole free writing session about that one reason and why it's a good reason, why these different bits of evidence prove that reason is a valid reason. And then you'll have a different one, another reason, another thing you're going to bring up. And you'll need to say, okay, what evidence can I provide? What are some good explanations or illustrations that I can provide to back that reason up? Why is it a good reason? So you need to have multiple reasons why your thesis statement is correct. And at this point, just do as many as you can. Just don't even worry about, okay, I've got 3 to 5, that's great. Don't do that. You're almost done with Comp 1. You should be past that kind of high school thinking. You're in the academic writing world, so think of as many reasons as possible. Just write them down. I want to see as much as you can give me. And once you've done that, then we can start choosing. Okay, this is a better reason than this one. Okay, but it's nice to have this one handy. It's nice to have them both there just in case something falls through. You can always go back. Okay, get started.